Daily English Conversations.
Improve your English speaking. Let's begin. Hi, David. It's so good to see you.
Hi, Emma. You too. It's been a long time.
Yes, almost 6 months, I think.
Wow, that's too long. How have you been?
I've been good, thanks. Just busy with work. And you?
Pretty much the same. Work keeps me busy, but I try to relax on weekends.
That's important. I'm glad we could meet today.
Me too. This place is nice. Have you been here before?
Yes, a few times. They have great coffee and cakes.
Perfect. I need a coffee today.
What will you get?
I think I'll have a cappuccino. How about you?
I'll have a latte and maybe a muffin.
That sounds good. I'll try one too.
I like how quiet it is here.
Yes, it's not too noisy. A good place to talk.
So, how is your job going?
It's going well. I started a new project last month.
Oh, what kind of project?
We're designing a new app for small businesses. It helps them with inventory and sales.
That sounds useful. Are you working in a team?
Yes, 5 of us. Everyone is nice and helpful.
That's great. I'm glad you enjoy your work.
What about you? Still teaching English?
Yes, but now I teach online. I have students from Japan, Brazil, and Italy.
Wow, that's international. Do you enjoy it?
I do. It's fun and interesting to meet people from different places.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to go for walks, cook something new, or watch a movie. You?
I go hiking sometimes. Last weekend, I went to the lake.
That sounds peaceful. Did you go alone?
No, with a few friends. We had a picnic.
Nice. What did you bring?
Sandwiches, fruit, and some cold drinks.
Perfect picnic food. Do you still play the guitar?
Yes, but not as much as before. I need to practice more.
I remember you played really well.
Thanks. Do you still paint?
Sometimes. I painted a landscape last month.
That's great. I'd love to see it.
I'll show you a photo later. Do you have any plans for the summer?
I'm thinking about visiting Spain.
That sounds amazing. Have you been before?
No, it will be my first time.
What will you do there?
Visit some cities, try the food, and relax by the beach.
That sounds perfect. I hope you have a great trip.
Thanks. What about you?
I might go camping with some friends. We're still planning.
That sounds fun too. I haven't camped in years.
So you mentioned you like to cook. What's your favorite thing to make?
I really enjoy making pasta. It's easy, but I try different sauces.
Nice. Do you make the sauce yourself?
Yes, I like tomato sauce with garlic and herbs. Sometimes I add mushrooms.
That sounds delicious. I should try that.
What about you? What do you cook?
I love making soups, especially in winter.
Oh, soup is perfect when it's cold. What kind?
Pumpkin soup, lentil soup, or vegetable. Very simple but healthy.
I like that. Maybe you can send me a recipe.
Sure, I'll message you later.
I remember one time I burned the toast so badly the smoke alarm went off.
Oh no! Did you eat the toast?
No way. It looked like charcoal. Even my dog wouldn't touch it.
That's really bad toast.
What about you? Any kitchen accidents?
Once, I forgot to add sugar to a cake. It looked good, but it tasted terrible.
That's the worst surprise. Sweet cake with no sweetness.
We laughed a lot. My brother still reminds me.
Do you read much?
I try to. I just finished a novel last week.
What was it about?
A woman who travels around the world and finds herself. It was emotional.
Sounds interesting. I like detective stories.
Mysteries?
Yes, I like to guess who did it before the end.
That's fun. Do you watch mystery movies too?
Yes, and I always try to solve the case before the detective.
Are you usually right?
Sometimes, but not always.
Do you have any goals for this year?
I want to learn some Spanish before my trip.
That's a good idea. Are you using an app?
Yes, I use one called Duolingo. It's fun and simple.
I've tried that too. It helps with vocabulary.
What's your goal?
I want to paint more and maybe join an art class.
That's a great idea. You're very talented.
Thanks. That's kind. I just need to make time for it.
It's been really nice talking with you.
Yes, I enjoyed it. Let's not wait 6 months again.
Definitely. Maybe next time we can meet at the park or have lunch.
Good idea. I'll text you next week.
Great. Take care, Emma.
You too, David. Bye.